name is Stuart Hammons. I'm a chainsaw carver. I'm here with Heinrich at a beautiful morning here at the old mill. And I came in to check up on an owl I had carved, trying to figure out maybe 4 years ago. This tree was actually down, came down prior to me carving this, so I'm not really sure the type of tree it was. Looks to me like it was probably a maple, but I'm not too sure about that. I came here, it's got some issues. I came back for some maintenance. I'm going to redo the owl here, coat it, paint it, seal it, and you can see right here I'm going to do some work on the side of it so it lasts a little longer. This tree was probably 50 years old before I started carving it, and it was used a lot as a billboard, a lot of nails in it when I started carving. But it's a real prominent piece, and it's right here where everybody can see it, and I thought I'd take some extra care to try to make it look back to normal. What we're going to do is get together this summer and I'm going to fix it up, and hopefully it'll last, be here for a long time. I have some other pieces that I also do. These are rough, just started, but to do the eagles and do the bears and just about anything. Indian stuff. This is a very hot spot for Indians. It's a very popular Brandywine Indian all along this Brandywine Creek here. There's lots of artifacts. This is the creek a little bit here also behind the owl. And we're going to get together and see if we can get this brand new. If you'd like to get a hold of me, 610-802-8582 is my cell number. I'm from Honeybrook area. Give me a call, leave a message. I'll get back to you.